is Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club. I am here today to share with you a gorgeous new card kit that will be coming out on December 28th. This is Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Love Story. And while it does have a lot of images and papers that are perfect for weddings, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, it's also a wonderful collection for celebrating friendship, for sending get well cards, congratulation cards, and I've put together a kit for you that is going to cover all kinds of occasions. I think you're going to really enjoy working with this gorgeous, gorgeous vintage collection. So in your kit, you're going to get this 12 by 12 collection kit that has all of the papers that I'm showing you here, all the wonderful journal cut aparts, gorgeous florals, 3 by 4s, terrific diagonal stripe. This is the cut apart page with 4 by 4s and 2 by 2s. And this wonderful ticket page on the back. Don't you love the colors in this? 4 by 6s with a nice distressed stripe. And then of course, this sticker sheet. So that is the main component. Then you're also going to get the basics kit, which is 6 sheets of 12 by 12 cardstock that is color themed. Specifically for this collection, you're going to get 2 of each color. These are going to make great mats. These are going to make great mechanisms, and we're going to have all kinds of fun with these basic cardstocks. But that's not all. You're also going to get the wonderful adhesive brads, has this cute little vintage camera, all these pretty little sparkly bits, some little chipboard pieces. We're going to get the 47-piece ephemera kit, which has all of these wonderful images in this. These are so fun to layer. And then the floral bits, there are 57 pieces here of butterflies and flowers and foliage and hearts that are going to add that special designer touch to our papers. But as always with our kits, we don't stop there. We keep adding. So you're going to receive 2 of these window envelopes that we're going to turn into fabulous shaker cards. You're going to receive 2 flat back vintage keys that are going to look simply wonderful with this collection. You're going to get a package of sequins, a package of 12 wooden buttons, this sweet little heart charm, a butterfly charm. You're going to get 4 beautiful gold doilies, 2 yards of pink and white baker's twine, and 2 yards of gold mesh ribbon. And then I've designed 2 sheets of special sentiments that specifically go with this kit. These will come printed, and all you have to do is cut them out. And you're going to get 12 sheets of 12 by 6 inch heavy natural cardstock, which make the most beautiful card bases. You'll also have access to the step-by-step video tutorials that you can watch over and over again at your leisure. You will also get a basic full-color printed guide that gives you basic measurements and detailed photos of the projects that we'll be making so that it will ensure your card making success. We're going to make pop-up cards and cards that move and get well cards and sympathy cards and thinking of you cards and some I love you cards too. It's going to be a really fun kit. So stick around. I'll show you what we're making and I'll be back very soon. So what are we making? Oh guys, this kit is so gorgeous. We have everything from beautiful, shabby chic shaker cards with pockets and tags on the back. We have a gorgeous little flip folio. This is so fun with pockets and flaps and room for photos. This would be a beautiful way to preserve pictures from a bridal shower or a special anniversary. We have these adorable pocket tag cards. The front of the card is actually a pocket. This one I've put a hanger on, so you could actually hang this from a doorknob or a cabinet knob. It's got little tags and a little mini note card inside. And on the back, there's lots and lots of room for you to write your greetings. Then these are so fun, pop-up cards. So these are great, and they actually have a pocket and tag on the side. So and homemade rosettes. You're going to learn how to make your own rosettes without a die. These are super cute and so easy to make. Like everything in here there's an easy way to do it. Here's another really fun tunnel pop-up. Isn't that great? I love cards that move. And then a little tiny tag pocket over on the side. I can't stand it. This kid is so beautiful. Here's another one of those fun tunnel cards with a cute little tag pocket. All these wonderful things. Oh, so pretty. And these are great because you can just open these up and put them on display. Then, of course, we have to have easel cards because they are my favorite, and these fold flat for mailing. It's got a pocket inside with a little mini note card in there where you can write your greeting, tuck in a gift card, whatever you wish. Here's a sweet get well card, also an easel card, again with a little mini folio on the inside for you to write a message. And then last but not least, these are what I'm calling bonus projects. They're so fun. They're little trifold, Z-fold, accordion, junk journals. So lots of room to add little pictures, journaling, really, really fun. And then there's a belly band closure that makes them really special. So there's 2 of these. That is 12 cards plus the little card flip folio. So that's pretty amazing in a card kit. I think you're really going to have fun with this kit. Everything is easy to make, quick, super clean design, easy to mail. I think you're really going to love this one and have designs that you can add to your toolkit and use over and over again for friends and family. So if you'd like to order your kit, it's available at the Button Farm Club. This is my quarterly subscription kit. So if you're subscribed, you automatically receive your kit in the mail. You don't need to order or do anything. If you're not subscribed, you can sign up and you're guaranteed a kit. If you don't want to subscribe, you can wait until all the subscription kits have been filled, and then if there are any left over, you can always grab a kit. They cost a little bit more, but I get it. Not everyone wants to be on a subscription. So I'll put the link to Button Farm Club in the description box below, along with everything that comes in the kit. I hope you enjoyed this little preview of the good things that are about to come, and I wish you all a very happy New Year. That's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design, for the Button Farm Club. Go get your craft on.